The blower motor and resistor are located under the cowl cover piece at the base of the windshield, indicated by the red arrow. Begin by pulling up and removing the rubber seal that runs along the divider between the engine bay and the HVAC system, red arrow. You will need to remove the plastic cover, red arrow. There's a good chance this will not come off in one piece. These get very old and brittle over the years. If you have not removed it lately, there's a good chance you will damage it and need to replace it when removing. With the cover off, you can see the blower motor assembly and the resistor indicated by the red arrow. Gently wiggle and pull the connection up from the base, red arrow. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws, yellow arrows, holding the resistor to the housing. Next, pull the resistor up and out of the housing, red arrow. There are 2 contact points on the switches on the resistor, red arrows. You can try cleaning these before replacing the resistor itself. This does not solve the problem. Installation of the new resistor is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.